Hi everyone, I am doing a massive clean today, a massive clean and tidy up. I have got so much to do. It's actually my birthday tomorrow and I know people coming round and I want the house clean and tidy, and it's midday now and I've got about 4 hours to do as much as I can, clearing up, tidying up downstairs, bits of cleaning, stuff I've been putting off, and I thought that I would take you along with me to get some of this done today. So let's crack on. Hopefully I'll motivate some of you to crack on and get some stuff done today. So I have done loads. I did our bedroom. I've dusted and hoovered. It needed a really good clean. Do you like my hat? I've got such sun intolerant skin, so you know I have to really cover up. It's such a shame, but it's just the way I am. So I did our bedroom, dusted, hoovered, did the bathroom. I've just got a tiny bit more to do in the bathroom. And then I was planning on doing Ollie's bathroom, but that's not going to happen. So it's the kids' bathroom. I'm not going to get that done today. I've got about 45 minutes until I need to go and get Emily. And actually I wanted to put the hoover around down here and just give it all a hoover so that it's just, you know, passable. I want to do the sitting room. I probably won't get that done, although I might get it done with Emily around. We'll see how much, but I'm pleased I've got quite a lot done already. I've hung out 2 lots of laundry, the whites and the darks, and I love hanging things out because obviously it's so much better, you know, for the environment and everything. So as soon as the weather starts to get a bit warmer, I'm hanging washing out as often as I can, and so that's great. I've done 2 lots of laundry, fantastic. So I've got more to do, onwards and upwards, but I'm really hot. Need to stop and have a drink. I think I might have shown you this before, but when I'm doing my cleaning in the bathroom, I like to use old towels. So this one was really mucky and had been used for years. And so I just cut them up and use them for cleaning, and I love using them for cleaning. They're excellent. So I clean the floor with them. I just spray the floor. I don't use any sort of special wipes or anything. Just spray the floor with sort of antibacterial spray, and I just clean the floor with one of my old towels. Right, so I'm really chuffed because I finished the bathroom, I finished the bedroom, all of that done. I've done 3 loads of laundry. I washed the windows in the bedroom inside and out, which is brilliant. They look so much better. I started bringing some of the washing in, changed the sheets on our bed. So I'm just really pleased. I got tons done. I've hoovered down here. I still need to do the sitting room, and I will hopefully get to that this evening. I just want to put the hoover around, have a little dust, and just say that it's nice. But then you could probably notice this, my ridiculously big ironing pile. I basically haven't done hardly any ironing for about 2 weeks, and that's what happens. It just is a big explosion of stuff that I need to iron. So I'm going to get on with that. I've got to make tea, and then I'm going to be hoovering again, just having a really good tidy up and a clean around. Thank you for joining me today. You've motivated me to do more than I was planning to. So hopefully I might have motivated some of you. Really not looking forward to doing this. And I also need to do my nails. They really need doing. And I kind of much prefer doing my nails than doing the ironing. But to be honest, we are running out of clothes to wear. So there we go. If you're not a subscriber, then I would love to have you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!